Hello friends, welcome to EdTech. I am Khazi Mujawez. Today in this video we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT in Microsoft Word, that too free. Let's jump into the computer.
Click Insert tab, Add-ins group, Get add-ins. Search for Ghostwriter. Here you can see the Ghostwriter use the ChatGPT with the Copilot experience right within your favorite Office app. Click Add. Click Continue. Here you can see the Ghostwriter add-ins has been added. Click Got it. To use the ChatGPT in the Word, click Ghostwriter. Here you will get a navigation pane for the Ghostwriter. There are some settings you can apply to get the result as per your requirement. Like if you click on this, you will get some options. You can select any one of the option to get the result as per your requirement. So here you can see clarify, explain, purchase, reply, email or later, summarize. So I am using the response into document. And here there is an agent. If you want to know, select an agent you wish to apply. From here you can select the role. Like here you have accountant, architect, banker. If you don't want to select anyone, you can use the no style applied. So as per your need, you can set these settings and you get the result. Now we are going to write here a prompt. In the box, here the prompt is for formatting a research paper. Type the prompt and click the send request to the AI. Here you can see the response has been generated from the ChatGPT. We are going to see one more example. Creating a mail merge for letters. Type the prompt. Hit the send request to the AI. You can see that the ChatGPT has replied the response. You can read it here. So this is the way how we can add the ChatGPT into the Word. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and do subscribe to this channel in case you aren't subscribed already. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.